Okay, this is the Bosch CRS 180. Now the box says flexible power system compatible. Not sure what that means. Blades that came with it. One of them was this one, the Edge. And I've got a fully charged battery. It's got 2 speeds. Right here is the speed dial. That was 1. Here's a lock. So if you want to lock it for some reason. And then 1. That would be slow, I found out. And 2 is a little bit faster. All right, then this is the other blade that came with it. This is for wood, and it says nails. And these usually, these kind right here with this blunt shape, it's usually for metal. So we're going to try some metal then. All right, this is 1.5 by 1.5 inches, and it's about 1/8 of an inch, a little bit less maybe. So we'll try that. I'll try to roughly time it. Now it's going to take me a couple of seconds to pick it up because I got to press this button here. Try to get it in my hands already. Okay, well, that was about 14 seconds. Well, let's try it again. And this time we'll put the phone over here. $13.9. Try it again. This time I got it started. $8.27. Hey, here's a brand new Sawzall blade from Milwaukee. We'll try that. Always when you get a new tool, it's always kind of dicey when you got to change tools because you've never done it before. And I've never done it before. I'll see how easy this is. Now this fixture on here that's made to change the tool easily, turn it counterclockwise. Oh, that was pretty easy. Now we'll see how it is to put a new one in. Well, that didn't work very good. Now, one thing I have found, and I have used saw blades for many, many, many years. Since about 88, 85, something like that. But what I have found is that Milwaukee blades are always thicker. That's why I buy them, because they're a little bit better quality. And this one is, I would say it's along the lines of DeWalt, which is owned by Black & Decker. So we'll try this now. I'm going to get it started first. This one is a little bit more aggressive. Boy, I knocked off all the teeth. $17.8. Now this tooth pattern is a little bit different on the Milwaukee, but you can notice where all these teeth have been knocked off. And the temperature outside is about maybe 50, 60. But here is the Bosch one, and it's got quite a few more teeth left on it. You can tell that they have been damaged up here in this area. So I lined this out, the Bosch edge blade, 13.98, and then I got it down to 8.27 seconds. And the Milwaukee, I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was over 17, so not too good really for the Sawzall. Okay, now I'm going to show how to change this. First of all, you have to turn this counterclockwise to get it out. Show it again. Counterclockwise to get it out. Now, to put it back in is different. You have to push it just a little bit. There, and make sure that this ring right here that is sort of square shaped, make sure that this ring snaps back clockwise. Counterclockwise. And then when it goes back, it goes clockwise. So there you go. Now this foot on here, doesn't look like you can remove it. It's riveted. It's got one rivet over here, one rivet over here. It's got a rubber grip right here on the front where you need it. Now there's another style that's more modern and shorter, but this is the old style. The motor is right in here, and then it transfers the round motion of the motor to a reciprocal type of motion. Okay, it's 25 thousandths plus 19 thousandths. Now, if you're going to write it up here, it's going to look like this. Here's 25 thousandths. Over here, these are called tenths. That's 0. Okay, plus 19 thousandths. This is 25 thousandths, this is 19 thousandths. So, here it is. 44 thousandths. Okay, right here. you have this surface here. Here's where the measurement comes in. Okay, here's where the measurement comes in. And this is where the 44 thousandths is. It's represented by 0.044. All right, you come over here and you look at this this point here. You have 0, then you have a line like this. Here is where 0 is. Right next to it is a short line. That is 25 thousandths between here, 0, and this line. You have also, if we come out here a little bit, you have another line, slightly longer. I guess one more. And then this, there's a 1 right there. 25, 50, 25, 50, 75, 100. Right there is 100 thousandths. Represented by 0.100. When this area right here, the 19, is lined up right here, and you read on this side, that is showing 25 here plus 19. That's where I get the 44 thousandths. Over here on this side, you can get a better picture of it. Here's where the 25 is showing, and you add it to the 19. Okay, here is another example. You have the 0 over here. And right here on this area, you have, it's between the 4 and the 5, but it is closer to the 4. So what do you have? Well, it's on the 50 on this side. On this side, it's on the 50. Over here, it's 4, so 54 thousandths. This is the Milwaukee blade. Right there. This is the one where the teeth are all missing, mostly. Is it better? I'm not sure. But I know in the test that I made, it was not better. So what I did was I went and bought Bosch blades. Okay, in this instance, this is for thick metal. You have the designation over here, 8/10. 10 teeth per inch. I'm not sure what the 8 means. That may be the pitch. I'm not sure. But, and here's the part number over here. These are the kind of blades that I used in that reciprocal saw. Now the proper name is reciprocal saw. The slang name, though, is Sawzall. But Sawzalls are Milwaukees. Those are Milwaukee machines. So right there, down there, is that edge blade, just like these. Here's another edge type of saw blade. This one is 8 by 14 teeth per inch. Again, the 14 is the teeth per inch. In 1 inch, there's 14 teeth. Very simple. And it is different than the one I showed you previously that was at 10 teeth per inch, because this is a finer type of blade. And as you can see, it says all-purpose. The other one said thick metal. So I chose these to be better, and if you think that I'm wrong, that's okay. For some reason, the thicker material did not work very well. The thicker blade. As you can see, here's the thinness of these blades.